Today I am reviewing LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. If at any time you like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're someone who's tired of dragging around a heavy vacuum cleaner, dealing with tangled hair in the brush, or struggling to reach tricky spots in your home, then the LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner LVAC-200 might just be your new favorite cleaning companion. This lightweight, versatile, and highly functional stick vacuum is designed to make daily cleaning simple, quick, and stress-free. First, let's talk about power and runtime. One of the standout features of the LVAC-200 is its impressive rechargeable battery. Depending on the mode you choose, it offers up to 50 minutes of runtime. In Eco mode, when using the crevice or pet tool, you'll get the full 50 minutes of cleaning. With the main vacuum head, you can expect about 30 minutes. And when you really need that extra power for tough messes, Turbo mode kicks in with powerful suction for 12 minutes. This makes it flexible enough for both quick touch-ups and longer cleaning sessions, without the constant worry of running out of charge. Now, power is only useful if it's paired with strong suction, and this is where the LVAC-200 shines. Whether it's crumbs on the kitchen floor, pet hair on the couch, or dust hiding in corners, this vacuum suction is strong enough to handle it all. It's especially effective for everyday dry messes, making it the perfect choice for families, pet owners, or anyone who wants to keep their home tidy without a big effort. One of my favorite features is its tangle-resistant brush design. If you've ever spent time cutting tangled hair out of a vacuum roller, you'll appreciate how this model practically eliminates that hassle. The anti-tangle brush keeps hair from wrapping around, meaning you spend less time maintaining your vacuum and more time actually cleaning. In terms of design and usability, the LVAC-200 is lightweight, weighing only 6.17 pounds, making it easy to maneuver around the house. It can lie flat at a full 180 degrees, letting you slide it under furniture with ease. Plus, it comes equipped with 3 LED lights on the vacuum head, which really helps when cleaning under beds, couches, or in darker corners where dust tends to hide. When it comes to versatility, this vacuum has you covered. Inside the box, you get a 2-in-1 crevice tool for reaching tight spaces and a 2-in-1 pet tool that makes picking up pet hair a breeze. The short stick option is perfect for quick spot cleaning or even using it in your car. And because it's cordless, you're not limited to outlets or tangled cords. You can take it anywhere in your home with total freedom. Another highlight is its 5-stage filtration system. This vacuum is designed to capture 99.9% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring cleaner air emissions and preventing dust from being blown back into your living space. That's especially helpful for people with allergies or sensitive respiratory systems. Emptying the dustbin is also incredibly simple. With just one click, the large dustbin empties cleanly into the trash, so you don't have to fuss with bags or mess. It's clearly designed for convenience and efficiency at every stage. The LVAC-200 isn't just about performance, it's also about reliability. LEVOIT backs this vacuum with a solid customer support system, promising to respond within 24 hours if you face any issues. Replacement filters are easy to find, and the company even recommends keeping an extra battery handy if you want to extend your cleaning sessions. Now, let's quickly touch on the noise level. At about 77.5 decibels, it's not whisper quiet, but it's not overly loud either. It strikes a balance between power and comfort, meaning you can use it without feeling like the whole house is vibrating. To sum it up, the LEVOIT LVAC-200 cordless stick vacuum cleaner is a fantastic choice if you're looking for something that combines power, portability, and convenience. With its long runtime, anti-tangle design, strong suction, 5-stage filtration, and multiple tools, it's well suited for cleaning hard floors, rugs, furniture, and even cars. And weighing just over 6 pounds, it's light enough for everyday use without causing fatigue. If you've been considering upgrading your old vacuum or simply want a reliable, cordless option for quick daily cleaning, the LEVOIT LVAC-200 is absolutely worth checking out. It's practical, efficient, and thoughtfully designed to make your life easier. So whether you're dealing with pet hair, dust, crumbs, or just want a cleaner living environment, This vacuum is designed to handle it all with ease. LEVOIT has really created a product that proves you don't need a bulky, expensive vacuum to keep your home spotless. You just need the right balance of power, portability, and design.